How to convert Word to Google document without loss of formatting. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can convert Word to Google document without changing the format, without its format being changed, or without the loss of formatting. Now it's quite simple here. You can see I've opened it on my browser here. My Microsoft Word document is here, and here I've opened up Google document. Now if you just copy this and if you paste it here, the format will be changed, as you should have experienced that. And now if you want to change it, what you want to do is first you'll have to save this document on your desktop or your laptop. Now simply click on file option here, and then what you want to do is click on save as option here, and then click on save as, and then you can see the option download a copy to your computer option here. Simply click on download a copy to your computer, and then simply click on download a copy anyway here. Now here you can see the document that I downloaded has been saved here on my document 6 here on my drive here. Now next thing what you want to do is head into the Google document here. Now you can see I'm on my Google document here. What you want to do is here click on the file option that you can see here at the left hand side. Click on this file option here, and then click on open here. Hover your mouse around file and click on open option, and you'll get it here. Now if you have it on your recent, you can download it, select it from your recent. If you have uploaded it on your drive, you can save it from your drive, or if you have anywhere here, but I'll just upload it from my computer here. I'll just upload it. Simply click on browse option here from upload, and then head into the folder where you downloaded the file. Now here you can see document 6, it's under my desktop here on my download. Simply I'll click on open, and it should load up. Now give it time to open it up. Now here you can see opened up with the same format. So this way you can convert Word to Google document without loss of formatting. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.